Year of the Wooden Horse. How is that? Ladies and gentlemen, pambihira naman, no? Ang sabi nila, magiging aktibo daw yung, commerce sa negosyo ngayon. Maraming magiging active. And hindi ko alam kung paano tinitingnan ng ating mga guests yung pagiging aktibo. Pero ang sabi ko kanina, meron tayong kailangang malaman galing kay Mais. Was there ever a time na nagmukmuka sa kwarto, you're so alone, so lonely, you're crying and saying, I wanna give up. Was there ever a time, Mais?
Kasi if you're in a business, diba, pinasok mo to. Business is very risky. And I'm pretty sure in this business, I'm not alone. So there's a lot of competitors. There's a lot of people who will pull you down. I think you've told me that once. And there's a lot of people who doesn't believe in you. And there's also a few people who really believes in you and will support you.
So wala.
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 Because I have my ultimate dream. I really have my I want to share it. I think-
Matapang ka ba? Abnormal lang.
Kasi pinili ko to. This is my passion. I want to be in this business. I want to, pursue my dreams. My ultimate dream is to have my own events place. Like parang SMX MOA, yung mga ganyan.
Right,
That's
right.
my ultimate dream. Because I've seen a lot of events place in Dubai, particularly the World Trade Center, and
Yeah.
a lot of foreigners are going there to showcase their products and services.
Yeah, I mean, just come up with a budget and then
Yeah, maybe you can
Carino
help me
Development
out.
and Management Corp
We will.
can probably help you out
We
with the
will.
lifestyle thing.
We will.
Can you give me a fraction
wala.
of your land?
Walang,
Why not?
Walang ganun, ano? Walang, kasi ako may down moment ako. May down moment ba sa inyo?
Meron din. Lalo na once you were, alam mong bago to eh. May
Oo,
kaba
diba?
moment eh, diba?
Right.
May
So,
papansin ba?
Normal tayo.
Normal tayo.
Normal
Normal dito
tayo.
sa katabi natin.
Medyo si Mais, medyo wala, no? Wala sa...
Are you ganging up? Siyempre, I chose this business. I chose this life. So I'll have to make the most out of it. Sometimes I cry sa bahay with my husband. So she's
Aba-
smart. Pero
Umamin.
Umamin.
umamin naman. Maamin ako because there's a moment na pagod ka na, you're very tired, and of course those people will criticize you in a very, very negative way without them knowing how or what I have been through.
They
So,
don't have
yeah,
idea. I mean, they don't have any
They
idea.
don't
That's
have
why.
any idea.
That's
So
why.
those things
So nothing to worry about
those
because they
is-
don't have any idea.
those things that really worries me. But deep inside, I know that I can do this. What affects me are those people who doesn't believe in me, who doesn't know anything about what I'm doing. So
Yeah, waste of time.
Yes.
Sir June,
Yes.
is there any other industry you would like to consider working for, with?
Real estate has been my home.
So wala ka na
Siguro-
ibang dream like being an astronaut, a lawyer,
Liar?
a policeman?
Sorry.
Wala na.
As a young kid, you were dreaming becoming a lawyer, but masarap kasi na nakikita mo yung Roland, you were seeing them to become most desirable destination.
Lawyer for real estate
Real estate.
company.
Well, part of the job is doing legal research, right? But beyond that, ayoko kasing tumatambay din, hindi din na mapakali sa korte pag matagal eh.
Malamang.
Yeah.
Oh, ganun. And then, Mais, would you consider any other industry?
Sabi ko yung flight stewardess, kaya lang kulang ako sa height.
Oh, so yun talaga.
Yeah, journalism. I want to be on TV, like news anchor.
Hindi, dito,
or something.
pwede dito.
Pwede ako mag-call sa'yo?
Di ba may seminar ako ganyan.
Okay.
Hindi ako makakan dito. Di ko muna umupo
Sige.
dito. Medyo lumalapad lang sa TV.
Recorded, ah?
Recorded. Recorded live.
Recorded live.
Recorded live. So, hindi ka rin pwede magkamali.
Yes.
2014, this is a very interesting year. A lot of Chinese people would see this as a year na talaga maraming gagalaw, very active and all.
Yeah.
How do you find this year?
Siya mga?
Yeah,
Ladies
first.
Ladies first, yes. It's lots of challenges. Kasi diba sabi nila, wooden horse. I feel the year started very good for me, For me.
Well,
First of
you
the
met
year-
me. That's one.
Oh my God.
And meet me, that's two.
That's two. Who else?
I met a lot of very interesting people. So definitely, because you're in events, marami kang nami-meet talaga. But I started the year good, and I feel that I will finish the year good as well. So I have to be positive.
Yeah,
I have to be optimistic, even though there's a lot of challenges. So I really have to stay positive and optimistic.
I'm sure. 2014 for Harbor Springs.
Well,
Sold out na?
Ang maganda dyan, even in the absence of any marketing materials, it is moving.
No way.
No way. We don't have any ads. We don't have placements in the internet yet.
And this
yet,
is your first time on TV?
This is my first time
Somebody
on TV.
forced you to be here?
Okay.
They saw it, they saw it.
So, sold out-
Intendedly?
Sold out na to.
Not yet,
Not
not
yet,
yet.
not
But it is moving. Now we are preparing in the marketing side because you prepare the groundworks for the project.
Right, right.
And since the year is still good for real estate, meron pa rin naghahanap ng investment eh. And now we're offering something creative and something unique.
Alright. So, hindi nyo pa ina-announce yan? Gusto mo
Not
na
yet,
i-announce?
not yet. Officially, not yet because there are some
Here.
things that you want to further enhance with the
Right.
project. No?
Right.
So,
Grabe, magaling, magaling. And
thank you.
ano yung natutunan mo dito sa pag-start ng business? 2 years. You have been in the business for how many?
Malalaman kasi ito, sinabi ko kanina, baka may
Okay lang
mag-compute
yan.
eh.
Compute eh, no?
Oo, baka may mag-compute.
Pero matagal-tagal na.
Matagal-tagal na.
Matagal-tagal.
Basta 2 digits na rin yan.
Matagal na nga.
Medyo matagal na.
Medyo matagal na.
Nasa mid-30s na tayo. Mid-30s, late 30s.
Basta yun na yun.
Alright. Alright. And then, ano yung natutunan ninyo dito sa paggawa ng business?
Well, sa akin, ang pinaka-importante dyan is when you have a vision, provision would come in eh. Once you were able to share your ideas, your concept, somebody would pick it up and join you with the journey eh.
Question, Jun, may pumikap na ba ng idea mo and then iniwan ka? And then kinuha yung idea?
Meron din yun. It's part of the risk eh. But then again, just like yung mga gumagawa ng, di ba, nung how-to sa mga, how they created the movies, sabi ni Steven Spielberg, you might know how to do it, but can you execute it?
Yeah, definitely. So,
Our experience taught us how to execute this properly.
definitely.
That is a major difference.
So, nothing beats the originator of the idea.
Exactly.
That's
That's
the point.
it.
So, okay lang na mag-share ka na mag-share.
True.
Alright.
True.
What about Mais?
Yeah, because there's a lot of, sabi mo kanina, there's a lot of people who are into events right now. So try to be innovative and then establish a relationship with your customers, your clients. And one client, I talked to him because, you know, this is one instance that I felt so sad because somebody else is doing what I'm doing. I don't know if it's intentionally or unintentionally, but he said something that really lifted my spirit. And he said, Mais, a lot of people will copy you, will copy your ideas. But the question is, can they sustain it? Can they maintain it? They can be in this level at the moment, but if they cannot sustain it, they will go down.
Yeah.
So that really inspired me because coming from a personal client, that confirms that, you know, your relationship with your client is really working.
Right, right.
Yes, yes.
By the way, can anybody just organize an event and you call themselves probably an events organizer?
There's
Is this a business na kahit sino pwedeng magtayo?
There's no course for events organizing. It's just like a passion na naging business eh. Because a lot of, whether you like it or not, every day there's always events. And everyone needs help.
Magkano ang
And, yeah.
investment sa ganyan kapag may kang events company or talagang mineral water lang yung puhunan mo? Pag nauuhaw ka, inom ka lang.
Define mineral water, may 5 pesos, may 10 pesos.
Yan, yung pinakamaliit kasi yun, startup ka pa lang eh. So yung yun lang parang laway lang yung puhunan mo dyan sa event.
Yes.
So hindi mo
Tama ka
kailangan,
doon.
hindi mo kailangan wala kang bibilihin ng mga computers and all.
Kasi ano
or
yan eh,
acquisition ng property or land. Walang
yes,
ganon.
exactly. Because it's service eh, intangible. So you give your service, hindi ka naman produkto na binibenta mo at meron kang inventory, merong expiration, so
Right.
mga ganon. So it's in a form of service. I started with corporate giveaways eh. So I started that way, walang capital. So I got a credit line sa isang gumagawa ng corporate giveaways. And then when I collected the check, I can
So, ganun
pay
lang,
the
Gano'n lang, ano yung check mo?
kaliwaan. Parang
Akin
ganun.
na yan, bayad ko.
Yes, yes.
Uy, akin mo na to. What about sa real estate? Ano yung pinaka-challenging part ng real estate ngayon?
Well,
Kasi I mean, everybody else is just like pitching in. They are trying to go out of the country, promoting their real estate properties and all, getting investors from outside. What's the most challenging part in real estate now?
Siguro hindi pa rin finances ang challenges sa real estate. Siguro in our particular company, ang pinaka-challenge is to build a credible team to get the right man to do the job. Kasi once you were able to establish a team, maraming investors who would like to put in their money in you eh.
Kasi titingnan yung...
Oh, titignan yung background ng bawat isa
Kung
and
ilang
how
beses-
could they gel together, di ba?
Yeah. Kung ilang beses nang lumipat yung,
Oh, kasama yun.
yung
Actually,
tao,
kasama yun.
saan ang galing.
Correct.
Every year pala lumilipat.
Yeah.
Nagpapatas ng presyo. Isa sa mga challenges dito sa real estate, no? Yung, especially for example, yung mga agents and all. Although hindi siya part ng management team. Pero they just fly from one place to another.
Well, that is true for all others, shall we
Sa
say.
inyo hindi.
Sa amin, ang mga salespeople namin, just like before, ang aming vision sa kanila, they would have their own businesses as well within the organization. So they didn't, and we don't hire them as salespeople. We hire them as business partners. So we invite them as business partners. We train them. We develop them. We give them decent offices.
May sariling opisina?
May sariling opisina bawat ahente. No?
Oo.
So
Sarap mag-ahente dito. Mike.
exactly. Then we treat them as business partners. I also came from sales from a different developer which I would not name.
Of course,
Of
of
course.
course. Of course.
Even though you're signing a contract of agency as in you have no employee-employer relationship, but they operated that way.
Right,
For us, there's a major difference if we are partners and we are employees, right?
right, definitely.
Definitely there's a
I
difference.
mean, yeah, you cannot fire your partner. I mean,
Exactly.
That easy.
Exactly. And sa sales operations namin, wala ni isang tumatanggap ng sweldo. They were all
Mais,
given
hindi ka pwede
income
rito.
from all
Kailangan ko
income
ng
came
basic.
from the business transaction.
Business transaction. So, hindi siya commission. It's more of like a profit sa kanila.
Yes.
Profit
yes.
nung partner.
Shall we say, kung gusto mong gamitin yung common term ng industry is commission. Diba? But that is your professional fee for being with us.
Right. Ilan ang mga tao sa inyo? May pwesto pa ba?
Marami. The building is 45 floors, so di ka maubusan ng opisina doon.
Marami pa i-consider.
Marami
natin.
pang cubicles doon.
But you would need people, you would need still people to.
Yes. Kasi,
Ano yung mga qualifications mo? Mag-on tayo, mag-on TV
Baka may mag-apply
recruitment.
na.
Baka may mag-apply na.
number one challenge is, one of the main thing that we're looking, if that particular person has that vision to become somebody
So,
himself.
pag hindi siya visionary, huwag na.
Medyo
may
Visionary kasi.
ibibigay namin siya sa mga taong visionaryo.
Okay.
So that eventually kasi you copied your environment. Eh.
Yep, yung mga leaders, especially yung mga
Oo.
leaders.
So kung ibig sabihin, isa sa kasi major traits ng isang leader is the ability to become a visionary. You see the future
Right.
that I may not earn today as much as I could get being an employee,
Pero hindi
but in
fortune
the future,
Hindi fortune teller yung hinahanap niya.
hindi naman
Hindi
fortune
naman.
teller.
Basta vision lang.
Vision, and then meron siya talagang goal to uplift his own financial
Necessary
and
ba
social
na meron na
status.
siyang experience sa pagbebenta?
That's a good thing. We'll train you if you don't have.
Alright. Sa industry, halimbawa nanggagaling siya sa medical industry.
Yes, there
Pwede
are.
rin.
There are.
So, walang problem. Babae, lalaki.
Wala ang problema.
Maganda, hindi kagandahan.
Kahit na hindi kagandahan,
Pwede.
pwede.
Interesting. And then, Max, ano yung mga events? Pwede mo nang i-announce yung mga events na...
Pwede na ba?
Oh, pwede na siguro.
Okay, siguro 1 minute.
Kasi kung hindi mo i-announce, okay din lang. Sige,
Hindi.
let us invite them
Yes.
to come to your events. I understand na meron kang screening ng Captain
Yes.
America.
You're invited,
Oh
of
yeah,
course.
sigurado yan
Yes,
Siya lang.
yes.
Good.
Kayo din.
Napilitan eh.
Yes, sila din pala.
Sige, what do we have?
We have our health and wellness on February 22. So if you want to lose weight the right way, find out how to have a good lifestyle, and of course proper nutrition and also hydration to have a well-balanced life. So it will be held on February 22. There you go, at Paragon Plaza. So my co-partner there is of course Sir June, the Ritz Paragon Plaza. So to reserve your tickets, just text this number 0917-243-3920. It's on February 22. The ticket was 500, but of course now we're giving it for only 250 pesos.
Wow.
And also there's a free Zumba. So guys, if you're a fan of Zumba, if you want to dance, you can join this event.
Right. Your website, sir, before we say goodbye.
Our website is harborspringsresort.com for this particular projects. We also have cdmc.com.ph as for our corporate. So if you want to know more about our company and our projects, and you want to build your business in the real estate industry, you may visit us.
All right, SaaS Marketing. Thank you so much, lady and gentlemen.
Thank you.
See you again next week, everyone. Bye!